Feel a little more humidity in the air today. The mugginess started coming back yesterday evening. Now it's back and looks like it will be here at least for about another week. So more humidity coming in. Highs back in the 90s in most areas today, and even most days coming up through the weekend and early next week. You might see 1, 2 little showers somewhere tomorrow and Friday, but for the most part it looks dry. There's just not a lot of moisture to go around, and what little shower activity there was today was very little. It's almost nothing. And it is hot though. 99 in Rio Grande City, 96 in Edinburgh, 90 in Raymondville, 86 one of the cooler spots, of course, at the island, where it tops off in the mid to upper 80s there each day lately. But these temperatures will be repeated again tomorrow. Just a lot of heat and humidity around. Dew points are coming back, and you see the trend here from very humid at the island to still a little less humid in Starr County, where dew points are in the 60s. But with the southeasterly winds, be pushing that humidity more and more into the valley. So dew points going back up. We're getting back there into the borderline, that very humid category of dew points in the 70s. So maybe not quite at summer levels, but getting close. It's definitely not feeling like fall is in the air. Now your evening planner does look dry. There might be a slim shot at a tiny shower between now and about 6 p.m. But if you go out and look at the clouds, they're not doing too much. A little puff of clouds, and that's about it. 85 at 7 p.m., falling into the upper 70s by 11 p.m. with mostly clear skies. There might be 1 or 2 little areas of fog late tonight, kind of like we saw this morning, but most areas just seeing clear to partly cloudy skies. You can see some of the moisture on there. A couple of little showers popping up as this little band of moisture moves west, but not able to really get inland and do a lot today. So shower activity very limited and looks pretty spotty again tomorrow and Friday. Future track the rest of tonight just shows a few passing clouds, but dry weather at night. There's midnight tonight, and then tomorrow morning you wake up, there might be 1 or 2 little showers again near the coast, but as the sea breeze comes in, has about a 10% chance to spark a shower moving inland, but again, very limited chance for a shower at any one location. Then dry weather tomorrow night. Friday, models kind of backing off a little bit in terms of what they were showing for an increase in the shower activity on Friday, but still maybe 1 or 2 showers here in spots during the daytime. But Friday evening football plans look dry and still pretty muggy out there. I imagine a game time temperature on Friday is still going to be running in the low to mid 80s as we get to just after sunset. And then on Saturday, the moisture dries up. We should be back into mostly sunny skies, and temperatures may go up as the weekend goes on. Rain chances on Thursday is still 10%, and that might not even be 10% everywhere. If there is a 10% area, mostly in the lower half of the valley where the sea breeze will be coming in. But again, small shower chances. 10% tomorrow and Friday, back down to dry on Saturday. Throw in Sunday is another dry looking day across the valley too. It looks like almost no rain for about the next 7 days. So if you need to water the lawn, going to have to do it. I wouldn't wait on this 10% chance for rain. It's probably not happening in most areas. And then tonight, down to about 73 degrees. We'll fall through the 80s this evening, but down to about 73 late tonight. A little warmer than last night overall. And again, maybe a small patch of fog here and there late tonight. Tomorrow back up to 94, similar to today's weather. Sunshine most of the day, but the clouds may try to build up some in the afternoon. And if you're lucky, you might have a very brief shower, but there's not really enough moisture in the air to give us a chance at anything more. And your first 1570 forecast, hot weather continues. In fact, we may be close to some record highs, especially early next week when temperatures get hotter. Tomorrow a high of 94. That's going to range from about 87, 88 or so at the island to about 98, 99 in western Starr County, and kind of copy that over through the weekend, but maybe add a couple degrees onto it by early next week. So we could be close to 100 early next week over parts of the upper valley, mostly 90s elsewhere, but hot, and humid all the way through the time. There's a front getting close next either Wednesday or Thursday. Has a small chance to spark a shower, but doesn't look like a good chance either. But it should cool us off late next week after Wednesday. But we'll keep tracking any changes in your first 1-5 forecast. Letty?